Passive transportation is a form of transportation in which molecules move from an area with a high concentration to an area with a low concentration to equalize a concentration gradient. This form of transportation does not require energy. Diffusion is a type of passive transport in which solutes move from a hypertonic environment, or an environment with a higher concentration, to a hypotonic environment, or an area with a lower concentration. This creates two isotonic environments, or environments with equal concentrations. In simple diffusion, solutes can move through the cell membrane unassisted to equalize a concentration gradient. However, when large polar hydrophilic molecules need to pass through the membrane, they need some help. This is where transport proteins come in. Transport proteins are integral membrane proteins that help large polar hydrophilic molecules through the cell membrane in the process of facilitated diffusion. There are two types of transport proteins involved in facilitated diffusion: carrier proteins that bind to a molecule and then release them, and channel proteins, which provide a pathway for the molecules to come in and out of the cell.
Another type of passive transport is called osmosis, which is the diffusion of water. In osmosis, water goes from a hypertonic solution to a hypotonic solution, creating an even concentration gradient and an isotonic, making both isotonic solutions. These two types of passive transport play large roles in our life. Diddling!